Hi, in this video we'll view how to configure the location tab for the web interface of time and attendance. We'll begin by logging into the web interface of time and attendance. Then, under the configuration settings, we're going to go ahead and navigate to it, and we're going to go under the location tab. Here, the location tab allows us to display and modify any configuration that needs to be done to the location details of where the company is found. For example, we're going to go ahead and add two. We can add the name of the city and the description where the state is, or you can add the direction or any description or code that helps you identify the location. In this case, we're going to go ahead and add Louisville. And in the description, I'm going to go ahead and type in KY for Kentucky. I can go ahead and add as many locations as I want. In this case, I'll go ahead and add a new one. And in this case, for example, I can go ahead and add Oak Creek. And for the description, I'll go ahead and add WI. If I go ahead and save it, I'll see that on the top right corner, it's going to say successfully saved. Now I have my locations added.